What are you driving?
A tractor.
Wow. Is it a backhoe?
They're ready to get in front of the road.
Wow. Yeah.
Daddy?
Be careful.
Can this move?
No, we can't drive it for real.
Yeah.
Can you reach the pedals? Yeah?
What kind of pedal are you going to use?
Gas pedal.
The gas pedal?
Mm-hmm.
Where is the gas pedal?
The one on the right. Gonna operate the back. Yeah, gonna dig some dirt.
Yeah. Like, it had mud.
It's got mud in it?
Daddy, I can see Dad in the dark.
Yeah.
Daddy?
Tell us how you operate it.
How to operate?
How do you drive it? Do you know how to do it?
Yeah.
You gotta change gears?
Yeah.
Show us how you do it.
I grab it there. Grab it there. There. Daddy, I have a pocket over.
Yeah.
Like, you can dig up to David's road.
Yeah.
See?
Gonna dig up the dirt with it, huh?
Why are you going to dig up the dirt?
That's what they use it for.
Get ready to walk. Daddy?
Yeah.
Can Daddy?
Yeah, buddy.
Can you walk it?
You ready to get down?
No, hold this one.
Say bye-bye to the camera.
Bye-bye.
Say I love tractors.
I love tractors.
I love backhoes.
I love backhoes.
See you later.
See you later.